Cimsource digital tool information where digital meets precision. Cimsource is a privately held tech company with subsidiaries in the US and Japan. We are all cutting tools, but all digital, but with real-world impact. Our most visible product is our search engine and tool data source, Tools United. More than 5,000 users a day search for tools, download for NC verification, and are referred to local distributors for instant sourcing. And that is worldwide. But most exciting are the technologies which you don't see on the first sight. Technologies for database built for tool manufacturers. Technologies to make your suppliers provide data that are not on Tools United. Technologies to identify obsolete tooling. Technologies to streamline shop floor logistics. EMO will witness how you can climb this career path smoothly, starting with a simple Tools United license to a full-size tool management. You will save time in engineering, reduce cost in tool spend, and increase the uptime of your machines. Let me put it in the words of our managing director of our US operations after a visit to a tool and die maker in Michigan. They told him, "You spend $150,000 per year for not buying my stuff. Lucky you if you don't run a machine shop. But if you are programming, sourcing, managing tooling, stop the drain. Join us in a engineer's journey to tool mastery."
Thank you so much.